What is healthy diet? A healthy diet is one that enhances or maintains general health. The body receives the key nutrients it needs from a balanced diet, including proper amounts of hydration, macronutrients like protein, micronutrients like vitamins, and fiber. A small modification in your cooking methods or ingredients, such cutting back on the fat, salt, and sugar you use, can have a significant impact. This can lessen your risk of developing diabetes and heart disease as well as keeping you from gaining weight. 10 tips for a healthy diet. Number 1. Reduce sugar intake. Limit your intake of sweets, cakes, syrup desserts, and sugary beverages. Try yogurt, fruit, or nuts, such as unsalted walnuts, hazelnuts, or almonds, for desserts or snacks. You can also try drinking water or unsweetened tea. Number 2. Fewer intake of processed foods. This includes fast food, cakes, biscuits, sausages, and other baked goods. These could include a lot of salt and fat. Number 3. Consume less salt. High blood pressure can result from eating too much salt. Although it normally has no overt symptoms, high blood pressure can cause a heart attack or stroke. Although elevated blood pressure is a severe health concern for everyone, it is not more prevalent among South Asian groups. When cooking, avoid seasoning food with salt, and try to refrain from doing so when serving meals. You can season dishes with pepper and other spices if necessary. Bread, cereals, and soup are just a few of the prepared and processed foods that frequently include salt. You may reduce the amount of salt you consume by reading the food labels, which are typically on the back of the container. Number 4. Consume fewer saturated fats. Butter, cream, full-fat milk and other dairy products, fatty and processed meat like kebabs or sausages, coconut and palm oil, cookies, pastries, and cakes are all sources of saturated fat. Overconsumption of saturated fat can increase blood cholesterol levels, a risk factor for heart disease. Number 5. Take less fried foods. Dumplings and other foods that have been deep fried in butter or oil are heavy in fat. In addition to raising the risk of diabetes and other health issues, this can result in weight gain. Instead, consider steaming, baking, boiling, or grilling your food. Number 6. Boost your veggie and fruit intake. Aim for 5 pieces or more of fruit and vegetables each day. All of the following count: fresh, frozen, canned, in water or their natural juice, dried, or juiced. Discover what constitutes a portion as you learn more about how to acquire your 5 a day. Number 7. Ingest more carbohydrates. The main course of a meal should consist of starchy foods like yams, potatoes, bread, pasta, rice, and other grains. Try to select whole grain, brown, varieties over white varieties since they include higher fiber. When cooking, use whole grain or wholemeal flour. Number 8. Eat more pulses and beans. Pulses and beans, such as soybeans, chickpeas, and peas, are a vital component of any balanced diet since they are high in fiber and low in fat. Number 9. Consume more oily seafood. At least 2 meals of fish each week, one of which should be an oily fish, are necessary for a healthy diet. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in oily fish, may support heart health. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, pilchards, fresh tuna, and other fish are oily. And lastly, number 10. Make wholesome changes. Choose a healthy alternative when you're cooking or munching. Replace sweets with fruit, ice cream with plain, low-fat yogurt, and nuts instead of chocolate. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe for more videos.